Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is a small little update. Still on day 3. But what we're going to do, I got to get rid of this shelf. I hate to because it's a good shelf. But let's see here. Might even install it on the back of that. So, but okay. Let's see, it should just come right off now. That one. Why does he have them? No. I thought I got them all. There we go. So, I don't know, maybe this will fit in there, but that'll be a later project. So, let's see what I've accomplished. Okay, so as you can see, this area is cleaned out. Took this shelf down, which you just saw me. Took this shelf down, and the other shelf that was right behind here, I took that down. In fact, you got those right there. That was the lower shelf there. Which I'll probably put that probably up there someplace. Who knows? And then, notice anything? Table's gone. I-beam's gone. And now, as soon as I get that finished, which I'm pretty much, this area is pretty much done. All I have to do is put my wire stripper there. My press is going to go here. This I have to do some modifications to. I got to cut off this back piece. But this, I'm probably, well, that I'm going to cut off. Haven't figured out how, or probably Sawzall or Jigsaw, one of the two. But I'm going to cut that off, and this is where my bandsaw is going to go. And then this one is lower down, so I'm going to use this one for my my vise. And then this one right here I'm going to use for my grinder. That one's taller. I want the shorter one for the vise. So, but yeah. I'll step out here for a minute. Up there, see? Don't know what these are for. These L-shaped, probably some decorative thing, but I'll probably put them up for sale. Somebody might be able to use them, but I'll put them up for 150. In fact, I'll take a picture of that as soon as my phone's charged. This is a better look at the portable sandblaster. That's what that is. So don't know if there's any sand in it. There might be. But I'll see. That's even if I can even use it or hook it up to one of these to use. I got a spray nozzle, but this is the gun that's on the end of it. Just don't see how